officers. It was very much unfair. Those are the reasons why. Now, leave alone that one. That one has already happened. What is the way forward for Raila Amolo Odinga? I want to say this. The only option for Raila Odinga is now to take over the parliament. He must now be in charge of the parliament so that Ajioshe. And Kujiosha now means that he needs to take the majority in the parliament. That is number one. Number two, he needs, I'm not talking this one as a lawyer, I'm talking this one as a person now who gets the wisdom. So, guys, I'm doing fine. At least I'm improving. I'm improving a little bit, though big, but at least I can see some difference. Just want to wish people of condolence, people of Malava constituency, poleni sana for the loss of your Honorable Mheshimiwa Njendi. Poleni sana. May God give you the strength during this difficult time. Just poleni sana, watu Malava, and the immediate family of Mheshimiwa Njendi, poleni sana. Two, I just want to talk about, because I love politics, even as I'm on the bed rest right now, I just want to say that it was obvious that Raila was going to fail terribly in the election of EU. Number one, it is obvious that Russia is very close with the Sadiq, Cyril Ramaphosa, and some of the French government, like Traoré, Burkina Faso, and others. And it was a deliberate move to deny Raila Amolo Odinga any vote from those countries that are close to South Africa. And as you know that even recently they were having a plan of making their own union with South Africa and among other SADC countries. So when the President Ruto took aside and supported the Ukraine, it was a deliberate move to deny. And that is the beef that made even Ramaphosa to give a statement that they are not going to support the Kenyan person. Number two, I was having a meeting with a diplomat in somewhere. And the diplomat was from Congo, was telling me that they burned down the embassy, vandalized the embassy of Kenya because the Tshisekedi believe that Kenya has taken a position, maybe it's favoring Rwanda in that position. So they burned down, and plus that of Uganda. So that one again also was a very big reason why we lost it. And that one also comes when he called the Macron. Because why is it that the AU has been placed under Ethiopia? It's because Ethiopia was never colonized by never colonized by any person or any country or a superpower. And so it means that the essence of it being at the Addis Ababa is that they want the African countries to be independent and not to be colonized. So by now, President Ruto calling Macron to come to solve the problem with DRC, it was a very big blunder. And it shows that when they elect Raila Amolo Odinga is going to be a puppet of Western country. So those were the main reasons why the Russia factor, then there is calling the moves and even allowing BCJ to be just collected like a hen in Kenya and being taken to be abducted in Kenya and taken to by the Ugandan officers. It was very much unfair. Those are the reasons why. Now, leave alone that one. That one has already happened. What is the way forward for Raila Amolo Odinga? I want to say this. The only option for Raila Odinga is now to take over the parliament. He must now be in charge of the parliament so that Ajioshe. And Kujiosha now means that he needs to take the majority in the parliament. That is number one. Number two, he needs, I'm not talking this one as a lawyer, I'm talking this one as a person now who gets the wisdom. He now needs now to impeach Wetangula so that now he can take charge of the parliament and change those things that forces to change those things that the Kenyans sees that are not incoherent with their wishes, like affordable housing, SHA thing. There are many things, the payslip things, among others, so that he can correct those things, and then also to demand again. Right now the PS are the ones who are running the errand. The powers to be taken back to the CSS, because now the CSS that he took to as experts to Ruto, President Ruto, they are like the mouthpiece. They have no powers and all that. And then among the many issues that needs to be corrected, and the only thing that can correct this thing is through the parliament and taxation and all those stuff. Then Raila will wash himself through the parliament. That is the only. But if he goes and again just takes the committees alone, but not making that parliament to be independent, then Raila will be a forgotten story. So he only has to get back to the people. He has to go get back to the people through the parliament, and that is what will make him to be somebody. Others guys, I'm doing fine. My Madomo is doing good. Hope it's going to improve. I'm just on bed relaxing. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day. Love you all. Amesema nifanye Zamzam.